Sarah here. I am going to do a souvenir haul now for everything that we bought in Disney World on our last trip, which was today. Literally, I just got home a few hours ago, and we were there for 4 days. We tried to keep it small because if you've seen my previous video, we were personal item only, so we didn't have a lot of room to bring stuff back. So we kept our souvenirs very small, very minimal. Also, we've gone quite a few times recently, so we don't need a lot of stuff, but the most important souvenir that we purchased, kind of the whole reason we went, that sounds ridiculous, but it's kind of a joke. Every year for the past 4 years, I've gone and purchased one of the Been There series mugs from Starbucks in one of the parks. It started 4 years ago. I went down, and in Magic Kingdom, I bought the Magic Kingdom cup because I thought it was really cool. Then when I was there in 2019, I was like, oh, I should get another one. And then last year we ended up going and I purchased the Hollywood Studios one. And I meant to go ahead and get the Animal Kingdom one last year, but it didn't happen. And so it was a big joke with my husband that I had to go back this year to get it. So I did. So I'm going to show you that first. That is the Been There series. And this one's special because it has Big 50 on there for the 50th anniversary. And I'm really okay with that because even though the Epcot and Hollywood Studios have the same design theme to them, like the artwork looks similar, the Magic Kingdom one is very different. They must have had a different theme for that artwork. So I'm okay that this one is also different, but this is what it looks like. And it's got dinosaurs and animals, and I love it, and I'm so excited that my collection is now complete. Yay! I can drink coffee out of this tomorrow. So I'm very excited about that. Put it out of the way, you can see. And then one of the other big purchases, it's not even really a big purchase, but we purchased a bunch of pins. So I'm really excited to show them to you. My daughter is working on her collection. Some of these are hers, some of them are mine. And let's see here. We have quite a few now. So this one is my daughter's. And she got Minnie and Daisy. And another one for her. She's got a ballerina because she does ballet. So she wanted the mini ballerina. This one is mine. It's a pin for the 50th anniversary. I'm really excited about that. I also purchased this one. They also have ones with Pluto and Goofy and then Donald and Daisy, but I only got the Mickey and Minnie one. And then she got a Rapunzel pin because Rapunzel is one of her favorite princesses. And I purchased the Coronado Springs pin because I have a pin for every resort we stayed at, except the first time we went 6 years ago. We stayed at Coronado Springs and I didn't get one because I hadn't really started collecting yet. And we happened to stay there again this trip, so I was like, perfect, I will get a pin for it. Alright, and then she has Moana, which is her other favorite princess. And she actually bought 2 pride pins. She just likes them for the rainbow, so I definitely need to discuss with her what the rainbow stands for, but I was very proud of her for picking them because I was going to purchase them. But since I'm kind of putting our collections together, I decided I did not need to purchase duplicates of the same pin. And that's her other one she got. And then she got a pink mini. I don't know, she just liked that one, I guess. And one more. I purchased a pin. It's the only one I could find for Halloween, so I don't know if they were just starting to run out or I didn't look hard enough. And I think that was it. Yes, okay. So then we also purchased the Remy's Ratatouille scavenger hunt, and we did a scavenger hunt, and the prize, she got to pick one of like a couple different bowls. They were all bowls, and one of them was this bowl, the Mickey bowl. It's really hard to open, so hopefully I can get it. And actually it just feels like it's going to rip my fingernails off every time I try. It's like ridiculous. There we go. And then inside's a removable bowl, I guess, to make it easier to clean. I don't know, but anyways, that's her bowl. Looks like a doggy bowl. But she was very excited about it. And I think that's it, guys. That's it. That's all we bought this time. But that's okay. We did not need to purchase anything more because it just sits around. So that is our souvenir haul for our Disney trip 2021. And hit like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos. So talk to you later, guys. Bye.